Why am I moving? Oh my God. One of the best feelings in the world is being able to take care of yourself. So many of you guys asked, why am I moving? The short answer is because I want to, but other things that impacted my decision to move, like right now it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's fairly dark in here, and I know those curtains are closed, but even if the curtains were open, it would still be fairly dark in here. And that's simply because this is a garden apartment, but like half the apartment is underground, if that makes sense. So it's a garden, but it's also below ground level, which means it's incredibly dark all the time, which means it was perfect for resting, like the absolute best resting place in all the land. Like, I love the idea of like being buried like a seed, like, you know, they thought they could bury you but they didn't know you were a seed, kind of a thing. And they is just life, not anyone in particular, but it's quite dark in here, and it impacts things. And so I'm excited to be moving to a lighter space. So also, it's getting hot outside. I need to look at the temperature because it's way hotter than what I thought. Maybe it's like 75 degrees. So probably by the time I'm done today, I'll have like nothing on. But I'll be in my new place and I'll be able to take a shower in my new place. So exciting. So stay tuned. Best feelings in the world is being able to take care of yourself, and I think that what I'm realizing now, that also made this move very emotional, in addition to the ways there's wind. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but in addition to the ways that this move was connected to childhood trauma and just young adult trauma, I think this move was also very emotional and very difficult for me because it was transitioning out of a space where I was completely dependent, which is something that I've never been in my adult life, and I was taking the first step to go back to taking care of myself. And I think that when life shows up and it completely wipes you out, like for me, when life showed up for me and it completely wiped me out, I think that there was a lot of fear about whether or not, one, I ever really was able to do. See, I don't think you guys can see me. One, whether or not I was able to really do all of this stuff that I did before, but two, whether or not I would ever be able to do it again. And if I did it again, would I find myself in the same situation? And so this move is showing me, like, baby step by baby step, that one, yes, you did it, and two, you can do it again, but you'll have the benefit of the wisdom of having done it maybe in error in different places before. So that's super awesome and super amazing, and I'm super excited about it. We made it to therapy. I'm about to go in, which I'm super excited about. And a lot of you may be wondering, why wouldn't she just cancel her therapy appointment? And I wouldn't even be able to be moving if I didn't know that I had therapy today. I don't know if it'll be in this video or if it'll be in another video, but I will talk to you all a little bit about just moving, sort of what happened today. Like, I don't know if it'll be in this one or the other one. I feel like this one is getting a little bit long, but I'm just gonna pause for the cause to go to therapy, and I'm pretty excited about having like this little break in between getting my stuff together and then like being able to rest in my new home tonight. So I'll check in with you guys when I get back. Oh my God, I'm so happy to be here, and I'm so grateful for all this light in this wonderful space. My neck is doing so much better. Just so stinking happy. I wanted to wait until I was in the space so that I could figure out whether or not I was going to do a Murphy bed or if I was going to do an actual bed. And I will tell you, moving eyes or wanting to move eyes are way bigger than moved eyes, because I definitely thought this space was a lot larger. So right now it's looking like the Murphy bed is gonna be the winner. So I just ordered a mattress because I wasn't for sure what type of frame I was gonna be doing. And this is a twin air mattress because I knew I was moving into a small space, and when I have guests with all the other furniture I intend to have, I didn't want it to take up too much space. So let's get this together. I still feel awesome. I'm super excited. I have a ton of boxes to move, so I need to get doing that. Told that is helpful is to like over label. So it's office, but it says binders, photos of Rakim, that's my son, printer paper, so I know exactly what's in here. And this little nook space is going to be my office, and so guess what? Now I know exactly what to put here. Really good. Empty box. And I had to take out a shelf for right now just because I needed to make space for the binders and didn't feel like moving that, but we're not organizing, right? We're literally just emptying out the boxes. So this is the main living space. We just have a few boxes, but you can see just with the boxes, it just makes everything look a mess. So let's sort of unmessify this. In addition to unboxing those four, I'll break down these boxes and take them to the dumpster. What I really can appreciate about this method of unpacking everything is because it's really great mental signaling that you're home and you don't have that transient feeling of I'm living out of boxes, and you know, it just gives, it's just total mental signaling that you're home, and like you got to make it a home because all those boxes are gone. I'm excited that the countertops are clear. I don't know what I'm going to do in this space, but knowing that this is my only cooking counter, I'm definitely going to have to maximize like my wall space. And it looks like I may have found a place for that cute dish that I picked up at the thrift store. It may become my little sponge holder. I don't know just yet, but we shall see. So far, so good. My initial thoughts and feelings. Emotionally, I am so exhausted, but overall, I feel like I made the right choice. I know I made the right choice. It's not even a feeling anymore. I'm just happy to be home.